It's too cold. I go to school up in Ithaca and this is cold.
Great. And what about you? How you feeling?
Very cold. I can't feel my nose. I like it. I'm from Jersey. I came in yesterday. I'm spending a couple nights here, so I'm walking up to my job and I'll just hang out. I don't have to drive. I don't have to worry about anything. Just walk carefully.
We are from Italy.
Now in Italy,
The weather is
spring.
it's very
spring
different.
temperature.
Yes, he's right. Yeah.
Yeah, we stay here for New Year here, and we are very happy to find also the snow. I know it's difficult for the New Yorker, but we like this atmosphere. For us, it's great.